Navigating through the doldrums, a guide to understanding this unique phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's lesson where we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might have heard but not fully understood. Be in the doldrums. This expression has a rich history and a vivid meaning, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to use it confidently in your conversations and writings. Let's set sail into the world of English idioms and explore the depths of this fascinating phrase. The phrase, "be in the doldrums," is used to describe a state of feeling sad, depressed, or in low spirits. It can also refer to a period of inactivity, stagnation, or a lack of progress, whether it's in one's personal life, career, or a specific project. The key here is the sense of being stuck in a place where nothing exciting or positive seems to happen. To fully appreciate this expression, it's important to know where it comes from. The term doldrums originally referred to a specific geographic region near the equator, known to sailors for its calm winds and unpredictable weather, making it difficult to sail through. This area, often causing frustration and delay, mirrored the feelings of being stuck or inactive, hence the metaphorical leap to describing a state of despondency or stagnation. Using "be in the doldrums" in everyday conversation or writing adds a layer of depth to expressing feelings of sadness or periods of inactivity. Here are some examples. After losing his job, he was in the doldrums for months. Our project has been in the doldrums since the lead developer left. Notice how it's used to emphasize not just any sadness or pause but a profound sense of idleness or gloom. It's also common to talk about ways to get out of the doldrums. This can be a powerful way to discuss overcoming challenges, finding motivation, or experiencing a renewal of energy and spirit. For example, she finally got out of the doldrums by taking up painting and reconnecting with old friends. Understanding and using the phrase, "be in the doldrums," can add color and depth to your English, allowing you to express complex emotions and situations with a simple yet evocative idiom. Whether you're feeling stuck or just love enriching your vocabulary, knowing this phrase helps you navigate the vast ocean of the English language. Thank you for joining today's journey, and I hope you're leaving feeling a little brighter and more informed. Keep exploring, and see you in the next video.